Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. So we have ended this very short week, and because on the eve of Christmas, Friday is not going to be a trading day for US market, as you all of know about it. So this is a pretty short week, and s- this is it. So we are having another session of USA weekly market report. Now we have seen a recovery, and those who are joining my live sessions, they would have know about the trend and how things are shaping up on regular basis. Now obviously this is a special session which I am doing on every weekend, and this will give you a brief idea about how things will probably shape up going forward. So looking at this, there are lots of things which we will cover in the upcoming couple of minutes, so be ready and stay tuned for that. So if you're looking at some of the price changes, and as you can see, the Dow Jones has indeed closed pretty okay, I would say. Everything is in green, and VIX has started falling, so this is a very good sign. And let's check out some of the important news which will probably impact the market. Now, this is one of the, I would say, very important for the society, because the latest variant or the new variant up to 70% less likely to cause hospitalization than the Delta variant, US government study finds. So this is a very good news, I would say, because this is more infectious than the prior variants, but it cause less harm. So that's a big relief, and it will probably boost sentiment as far as the winter marketing as season or festival season is concerned. Now apart from that, let's see what we have here, and probably we are going to check this out, and let's see what else we have. So meme stock, uh, and apart from that, let's see what else we have. The most of the things which I'm doing here in front of you are basically live, although it's a recorded session, but basically live, so that I can give you my instant thoughts. It's not going to be a preconceived notion, and I'm doing everything, and everything is unwritten, so there is nothing like that. And currency strategists make a bullish call on the dollar. This is one of the news, but we have to see, because dollar has been moving one way on the downside. So this is another one. It looks like Santa Claus is on his way to stock investors in the week ahead. Yes, definitely it does, and I will definitely explain you why this is so. And this Santa Claus is not going to stop for the next couple of days. It will the Santa Claus is going to shower his blessings and gifts for the next couple of weeks and months. Okay, so be ready for that. So we will go and start checking. So I think this is one of the top performing technology stocks, and obviously this year is basically the first position is basically won by IT, and this is or IT technology or related services, and this is not related to US, but across the globe you can see majority of the IT and technologies companies have mopped up huge amount of money. And if you are looking at the stock price action, they are quite big. So one is Upstart, and then these are all the tickers we have. FTNT, I think Nvidia, and SYNA, SAN, UPST. So these are all stocks, and as you can see, the minimum we have here is 126%, then 133, 163, 188, 260%. Now these are some big gains that the stock has made, and I would say steady gains, because even after the movement, even after the fall, the stock is giving such returns over a period of last couple of months. This is quite interesting over here. Now about dollar call that we are going to look at into the chart. So these are all the companies. So Fortinet, we have Nvidia, and I think I have made a couple of videos on this. And this chart of this stock, I know this chart, and this is a superb chart we have over a period of time, and this stock has really done wonders. If you are holding this company for a last couple of years, I would say for more than 10 years, then you can see the magic, right? Apart from this, let's quickly go to the chart because there is a bullish call on the dollar. So let's start with dollar index and how it's been moving, because see, understand one thing, that the dollar and the stock market will are indirectly inversely proportionate to each another. So if the dollar is going down, stock market will go up, and vice versa. And in the uh, Wall Street live session on daily basis, we this is one of those subjects which we are covering on regular basis. And I've been saying this for the last couple of days, that if dollar index starts sustaining above 96, then it is fine. Otherwise, you will see a big downside. So right now it is actually holding at or exactly above 96, and it has taken support at 96 and it has moved up. So this is quite a technical analysis we have, and it really works under wonders for some of the instrument. Now we have to see, because the dollar is in consolidation mode, or is in between 96 and 97. So let's see where the tide turns, whether it will go downside below 96, or whether it will start moving above 97, or on the upside. Okay, so this is one of the things. Now things which looks quite comforting or quite soothing for the market is the VIX. And VIX crashed down, it's literally a downtrend which has started in the VIX, and it is a very good sign, because the volatility is declining down. So we will definitely have, so the moves now, it does not no volatility beyond a point obviously is a challenge, but it does not mean anything. Why? Because it is indicating the volatility of the overall market. It can be on the upside, it can be on the downside. Now once it moves beyond a range, the signal change. So there are lots of things which one can understand, but you have to read it. That I'm not going to cover. Obviously, this is not a theoretical class. Right now, the way the VIX CBOE volatility index has been moving, so it has been falling down from the highs of 30-34. Right now, the lower end of the range is in between 15 and 14, 15.9 and 14.7 we have here. So recently it has also already visited as high as, I think, here we are 27. So it has actually crashing down. So this is what we have here. This is what we have here as far as the dollar index is concerned. A bigger part as far as the VIX is concerned, right? Now, I was talking about the Santa rally, and why the gift will stay on for, it's going to be a big gift as far as the stock market is concerned. So this is a simple trend which we have here in front of us. And if you are looking at so this is the chart for Dow Jones. Now I've been saying this thing for the last 2 or 3 days, that Dow Jones is going to perform in a big way, and the upper end of the range is in between 40 and 43,000. Now I don't know, so you guys can tell me that how many people are actually saying this thing, and the chart looks super bullish as of now. Obviously below 34,500, we have to change our view. It's going to be negative below 34,500, but above that you can see a very big range which is yet to be seen. So there is a big trend, big upcoming trend which is on our way, and it's on the upside for the next couple of weeks and months, right? So this is what we have as far as the Dow Jones is concerned. Now Nasdaq is also performing very well, and this is what we have as far as the chart of Nasdaq is concerned. Now it has exactly taken support, because I was talking about this support on the live session, and it has exactly taken support near 14,900 and started moving higher. So the next up move will push the Nasdaq towards or in between 16,600 and 17,000. So we have a very sharp range that is yet to be seen, and probably I will try to cover as much positive things as I can, because there is no way we are going to be bullish and we are talking about this is bad, that is bad, because a bull market is something which will climb the wall of worry. So every bad news is a good news for stock market as of now. We will see when the turns tighten. But right now we are not in that phase. So meanwhile, you can enjoy the rally over here. So this is what we have. And apart from that, if I may check the Russell index, because the Russell index is actually um, and so this is what we have as far as the Russell 2000 is concerned. So this is Russell 2000 NR, and as you can see, for this entire calendar year 2021, it has been consolidating in between 3000 and 3400. So it's a year of consolidation, but let me tell you, because this is not showing anything negative. So once it started moving above 3400, you will see you will definitely see a very sharp move on the upside in the calendar year 2022 and 23. So we are very hopeful that the next year is going to be for the small caps and the mid caps. So be ready for a big move. Obviously, you have to give preference to the quality stock rather than the one day booster. So you have to choose your horses very wisely. But apart from that, yes, beyond 3400, you will see lots and lots of stocks started moving on the upside, and those movements will be, I mean, as sharp as one can expect. And let me tell you, this is not going to stop. If one is thinking that it's going to be some one day wonder, or the upcoming rally beyond 3400 is going to be 500,000 points. It's not like that. You can expect even Russell to get double. So beyond 3400. So our range is in between 5600, 700 to 6500 or 7000 on the upside. So we have some big ranges which are yet to be seen. So be ready, be hopeful, be smart, and be joyful as much as you can, because we have some very positive surprises in the year 2022, and we are obviously there. I'm here to help you guys as much as I can with the kind of experience I have. So I'll definitely try to give you some gems which will, or try to find gems on your behalf which can definitely give a bigger return if you stay tuned with me. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.